birthday cake pudding shots. Woo! Awesome, 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 awesome. So we start off with some vanilla pudding mix, okay? Come behind that with some milk. All right, stir, 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 okay? Then we follow it up with some cake vodka. Loving this already, all right? A little bit of whipped topping. Get that in there. Beautiful, delicious little mix, all right? And then we drop in some sprinkles. So look at it, look at how it changes the color on top, okay? Scoop that into our bowl, and then you can put this in the fridge to harden, all right? Once you harden it up, break it out, and then you give your little guests a spoon, and they could go in and have some fun. So for some more cool pudding style shots, be sure to check out tipsybartender.com, okay? We have tons of them in there. We got Nikki doing our tasting, okay? And she loves it, all right? It's good, it's fun. This is a real party treat. Stay tipsy, friends, stay tipsy.